Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online coaching. Dear students, today we are going to discuss exercise 5.3. Dear students, before teaching the exercise 5.3, I want to explain you some basic thing, dear students. Today we are going to discuss a topic of sum, means addition करना है हमें. Dear students, we were discussing the chapter 5th AP arithmetic progression. Okay, dear students, in this chapter we are given a series. We were finding the last term, first term, difference, this each and everything we have discussed in this chapter. Now what we have to discuss, we have to discuss the sum, addition. Now please see here, suppose first term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 3, fourth term is 4 and fifth term is 5. So what is the addition of all 5 terms? Means 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. डी स्टूडेंट्स ये हो गया सम, लेकिन ये तो सिर्फ 5 टर्म्स है. डी स्टूडेंट्स it is only 5 terms. If terms are more than 5 means 10, 20, 30, 40, then it takes so much time to add. Yes or no? So to make the addition very easy, we are having formula. Sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression. Formula is Sn. Sum of nth term equals to, formula is n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, bracket is closed. Dear students, please memorize this formula. Sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression is Sn equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1, bracket is closed, d and the full bracket is closed. Please remember this thing. If last term is given in the arithmetic progression, last term suppose it is 480, means they will give you in this way. सम करना है हमें, पहला टर्म है 5, फिर 7 प्लस 8, ऐसे सम करके जाना है. और लास्ट टर्म ऑलरेडी हमें दिया हुआ है कि लास्ट टर्म जो है वो कौन सा है, 480 है. इफ द लास्ट टर्म ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन इज गिवन, then I will use directly formula Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. आपको अभी ये मेमोराइज कर लेना, लेकिन मैं आपको समझाऊंगा ये लास्ट टर्म कहाँ से, इसी फॉर्मूला से डिराइव हुआ है, ये कुछ नया नहीं है डियर स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, इसी फॉर्मूला से ये फॉर्मूला बनता है. So Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. L stands for the last term. ठीक है. The sum of first a positive integer. अगर आपको कोई बोले you have to find out the sum of first 100 natural number. First 100 natural number. Okay. 100 means n equals to 100. You will write here 100 into 100 plus 1, that is 101 divided by 2. So 100 by 2, that is 50. So 50 into 101, that is your answer. It is clear, dear students? So Sn number, the sum of first n positive integers. अब कोई इसी टाइप के सम्स दिए जाएंगे, और sum of first 100 odd number, sum of first 200 even number, sum of first 100 नेचुरल नंबर्स, 1000 नेचुरल नंबर्स, इसी टाइप के आपको सम्स जब दिए जाएंगे तो आपको यही फॉर्मूला लेना है, Sn इक्वल्स टू n इंटू n प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. आई होप डियर स्टूडेंट्स यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द फॉर्मूला. अब मैं जैसे ही आपको बता रहा था कि इससे ये फॉर्मूला कैसे डिराइव हुआ है वो मैं आपको समझाऊंगा. प्लीज सी हियर. एस एन इक्वल्स टू एन बाई टू. डियर स्टूडेंट, 2a meaning is a plus a. 2a means what? a plus a plus n minus 1 into d. अब देख सकते हो यहाँ पे डी स्टूडेंट्स, ये फॉर्मूला तो हम पहले से ही यूज़ करते थे. डू यू रिमेंबर? t इक्वल्स टू a प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी. ओके, सो इसको हमने बोल दिया है लास्ट टर्म. सो नया फॉर्मूला एस एन एन बाई टू इंटू ब्रैकेट ए प्लस एल. ठीक है, इसी फॉर्मूला से ये फॉर्मूला हमने बनाया है. ओके, I hope the concept is clear in your mind, dear students. Now moving towards the first Roman. Exercise 5.3. First Roman. 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. Dear students, आपको पहले क्वेश्चन को अच्छी तरह समझना है कि क्या करना है. 2, 7, 12 to 10 टर्म्स. अभी यहाँ पे आप देखिए कितने टर्म्स है. 10. n इक्वल्स टू 10. पहला टर्म कौन सा है? a इक्वल्स टू 2 है. डिफरेंस d जो है वो क्या होगा? 7 minus 2 means that is 5. So d is 5. You have to add, find the sum of n term. हमारा फॉर्मूला है एस एन इक्वल्स टू एन बाई टू 2a प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी. ओके, S10 इक्वल्स टू, जहाँ पे आपको n दिखे वहाँ पे आपको 10 लिखना है. 2a is 2 plus n that is 10 minus 1 into d that is 5. Close the bracket. Sum of 10 term S10, 10 by 2 that is 5. 2 2s are 4 plus 9 into 5. S10 equals to 5 into 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 4 that is 49. 49 into 5 करना है डियर स्टूडेंट्स. 9 5s are 45. 5 carry 4. 5 4s are 20 and 4 was carry, so it is 24. Dear students, the sum of 10 digit means 7 12 2 7 12. 12 के बाद का डिजिट होगा 17. 17 के बाद का डिजिट होगा 22. सभी का एडिशन 10 टर्म्स तक मुझे पहले टर्म फाइंड करने पड़ते, फिर मैं सबका एडिशन करता, तब जाके ये आंसर आता 245. लेकिन एक फॉर्मूला है तो उससे सब इजी हो गया. क्लियर? सो Sn इक्वल्स टू n बाई 2 whole bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I hope dear students you are able to understand the concept whatever I am teaching over here. Now moving towards the second question. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं यहाँ पे आपको जो हार्ड क्वेश्चंस है वही आपको समझा रहा हूँ. इजी क्वेश्चंस तो आप अपने आप भी कर सकते हो. ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में अगर आपको डाउट रहेगा तो फिर सॉल्व करने में थोड़ी परेशानी होती है, इसलिए मैंने हार्ड क्वेश्चन ही मैं यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट करता हूँ. 1/15, 1/12, 1/10. ये फोर्थ सम मैंने सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है. 2 11 terms. Now a equals to 1/15, n equals to 11, d equals to 1/12 minus 1/15. Dear student, 12 means 4 into 3. 15 means 5 into 3, means 3 can be common. So 1 by 3 is common. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. 5. Now this both are successive number. I can take easily cross multiplication. So 5 will be here. 5 minus 4, that is 1 divided by 5 4s are 20. So please see here, 1 by 3, 1 by 20. Answer is 1 by 60. I hope it is clear in your mind. It is 1 by 60. Each and everything we are having. Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. कौन सा टर्म, कितने टर्म, 11 टर्म. 11 by 2. 2 into a, what is a? 1 by 15 plus n, 11 minus 1, d, 1 by 60. Bracket is closed. Dear students, do not show eagerness to calculate this sum. एक एक स्टेप कीजिएगा. 11 by 2, 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1, 10. So 10 by 60. I hope it is clear in your mind. Now as 11 equals to 11 by 2, dear students, if you want to make here 60, you have to multiply by 4. So 4 2s are 8 by 60 plus 10 by 60. So as 11 equals to 11 by 2, please see here, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 by 60. Here it is 9. So 9 into 11, that is 99 by 60. So 99 by 60. Okay, now still you can have the reduced form, dear students. Still you can have the reduced form. Okay, here it is 11 by 9 and this is 60. So you can go still down. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand the concept. Any doubt, dear students? If you are having any single doubt, please you can type in a comment box. Okay, I hope it is clear in your mind. Now moving towards the second Roman. Second Roman is find the sum of given below. क्वेश्चन देखिए ध्यान से. 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus 84. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इससे पहले फर्स्ट रोमन में हमें बोला था till 10th term 11th term means n was there. Here last term is given. So this is L. This is L. This is A. A is 7. L is 84. Now question arise in our mind, that is N, and second question arise in our mind, that is D. अभी आप सोचेंगे कि सर D का तो हमें कुछ काम ही नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारा जो फॉर्मूला हो है एस एन इक्वल्स टू एन बाई 2 इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट ए प्लस एल है. ठीक है, लेकिन एन फाइंड करने के लिए मुझे डी की ज़रूरत है. ओके, नाउ दिस इज 10 2s are 20, 21 by 2. Yes or no? So D equals to 21 by 2 minus 7. So 21 minus 14 divided by 2. This is 7 by 2. So our difference is 7 by 2. अभी मुझे n find करना है dear students. What I have to find out, that is n. Okay. So to find n, I will use our previous exercise formula, that is last term Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here last term is given 84, a is given 7 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 7 by 2. Dear student, this is positive, take this side, it will become negative. So 84 minus 7 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Now if you are having this subtraction, you will get the answer, that is 77. 84 minus 7. 77 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Dear students, 2 will be multiplied here into 2 and 7 will be in the division, equals to n minus 1. Here it is 11. 11 into 2, 22. 22 equals to n minus 1. Negative 1 come this side, become positive. 23 equals to n. Okay, I did my work. I have to find out n, that I have find out. Okay, so n is 23. Now what was our formula? Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. Okay, S23 equals to 23 by 2. Here a is 7 plus 84. I hope it is clear in your mind. S23 equals to 23 by 2 into 84 plus 7, that is 91. So S23 equals to 23 into 91 divided by 2. Okay, so last simplification, 91 into 23 we will do. This is 3, this is 27, this is 2 and this is 18. So this is 3, 9, 10 and 1. So 209 divided by 2. Now I have to divide this thing with the 2. So 2093 dividing by 2. 2 ones are 2. Now 0 is coming downside. And this one more step will come down. So 4 2s are 8. 1 and 3 is coming down. 6, that is 12. 1, then point and 5. Answer is 1046.5. I hope, dear students, you are able to understand. The last answer is 1046.5. S23 equals to 1046.5. Dear students, I hope the concept is clear. It was exercise 5.3, first and the second Roman. I hope you are able to understand. Thanks for watching this video, dear students. Thank you so much.